Hey guys, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Today I've come up with a list of 5 YouTube channels which is actually going to help you with your English speaking practice. Now these channels are very diverse. If you are learning to speak English, you can just follow them. These are very interesting channels to watch and I personally love them, right? So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. Let's talk about number 1, Oxford Online English. Now you must have heard about Oxford University, right? It is a very famous university. So they have started the Oxford Online English channel also. Go through it. There are lots of stuffs available. You can learn a lot of things from them. So whenever you get time, especially on weekends, you can just browse these channels and see what content they have. And whatever you are interested in, whatever you want to improve on, like vocabulary or sentence building or conversational English, you can just start listening to them. So what will happen is when you start listening to these kind of channels, your brain will start recognizing the language, understanding the language, and will start collecting the information also. So that is why it is essential for you to start listening to these kind of channels which are specially designed for English speaking. There are lots of YouTube channels which you can watch, of course, right? But today I'm specifically talking about English learning. Okay, so Oxford Online English. The second one is British Council. So this is also a very good channel which you can follow. They have a lot of exercises and content. They have a diverse content as well. It will help you to practice English speaking. It will help you with some exercises also, some materials as well they provide. They provide certain materials also which you can start working on, right? So there are lots of variations in all these channels which you can start working on. And the channel's name is British Council /Learn English. So you can look for this channel and you can start looking for the content, what content they have and what kind of content you are interested in. See here, I am giving you a list of 5 YouTube channels which are dedicated to English learning. Now, it's upon you which channel you like or you kind of catch up or understand. And then you can start watching that channel. It's absolutely your choice. Next one is BBC Learning English. Now, BBC has a lot of channels, right? They have lots of documentaries, different channels. If you start watching BBC, you will get a lot of suggestions also. And I think every channel is unique. They have really very unique concepts and I love watching every channel of BBC. So here this one is about BBC Learning English, but there are lots of other channels also of BBC which you can start watching. It is also in English. So they're related to news, they're related to a lot of documentaries, they're related to a lot of conversational English, they're a lot related to different topics. So there are lots of channels of BBC. You can start browsing that also and you can start listening to them. These are very easy to follow also, guys. It is not difficult. They don't have an accent. They speak very clearly in English also. It might take a day or two for you to understand them, but then trust me on this, it is not difficult to follow. If you start following all these things, if you start following these channels, especially BBC, you will gain a lot of knowledge on different subjects because they have a lot of variety of channels which I spoke about, right? And every channel has something unique in it and interesting. So you will definitely find it interesting, I know. So start watching BBC channels. For English, of course, BBC Learning English is there, but you can start watching other channels of BBC also, which will help you to gain a lot of knowledge on different subjects so that you can speak on it. And they help you with speaking also. They give enough material, enough information that when you listen to it, you can just practice it on your own as well. Right, so start following BBC channels. The next one is Preply. Preply is basically into English learning. So they've come up with a YouTube channel also where they post a lot of shorts and other videos as well to improve your conversational English, to improve your English speaking or learning the language, etc. And they have a lot of other content also. So they have a website, they have a channel. So whatever is convenient for you, you can just start looking at it to see how it can help you. So basically here, these channels are there to help you, but it's upon you what help do you need, which channel will suit you, what do you want exactly from, what do you want to learn, right? That is important. So first you have to browse these channels and understand what kind of content they post, whether it is easy to follow or not, whether you're able to understand it or not, and whatever you feel like that this is the channel which will help me in improving my English or in improving my speaking skills, start watching that channel. Okay, just to immerse yourself in English or create an English environment around you, you have to listen to stuffs, right? So whenever you have free time, whenever you're walking, gymming, exercising, or doing, just sitting idle, you can just put your headphone on and you can listen to these channels. You will definitely gain a lot of information regarding different subjects and different topics and different things related to English language, which is actually going to help you. Okay, the last one which is my favorite, is TEDx Talks. I always tell you about TEDx Talks. Now, guys, here the concept is very different. It is not about English speaking, right? It's mostly about people come there and express their ideas or thoughts on different topics, right? Whoever is expert in some topic, they come and talk about it on TEDx platforms. And these people are reputed. These people are really known for something they've started, something they're doing. So they're very well-known people, renowned people, and they speak with experience actually. So if you are demotivated, if you are feeling lost, if you don't know what to do next, you are trying to give up on anything, start watching this channel. TEDx Talks is something which is actually going to motivate you, help you with a lot of things, right? You will get to know how people struggle to reach at the top. So you will get to know a lot of struggles, you will get to know a lot of challenges, how to face the challenges, how to overcome those challenges, and how to be successful in life. So there are lots of things people cover here. Different aspects of life is covered on these platforms. All the experts come and speak on this platform and they tell about their real life experiences, and those real life experiences will definitely move you, will definitely help you to become successful in life. So you will know how to talk about something, you will know how to express your thoughts and ideas, how to frame sentences, right? So it's very interesting also. It will motivate you, it will help you it will guide you as well. So this channel is very useful, guys. TEDx Talks is something you can start listening to, right? This is not specifically related to English, but it is actually going to help you to reach your goals, to become successful in life, to understand how life is, to understand its challenges, difficulties, hurdles, etc., and how to overcome it. So you'll learn a lot here. So these kind of platforms are really important for people to understand things, understand how people become successful in life, what they have done, how they have reached there. So you'll get to know all these things. So guys, these were 5 channels, YouTube channels, which I have made a list of, which I do very often watch these channels. Okay, so this is actually going to help you in your English speaking practice. You can watch a TEDx channel also, and then whoever speaker you have heard, after that you can just talk about it, what you have heard, what you have understood, what she said or he said, what the speaker said. So you can just frame it in your own sentence and then talk about it. So this is actually going to help you in your English speaking practice as well. Okay, so these were the 5 channels which I've come up with. I'm sure this is really going to help you. Just go to these channels, see what content they have, and try to explore some. So guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.